Hello all, I'm Pranjali Joshi from PICT Pune. Welcome to the session on Database Management System. Today in this session, we'll learn MapReduce in MongoDB. What is MapReduce? MongoDB provides MapReduce operations to perform aggregation. MapReduce operations have two phases. First phase is map phase. Map phase processes each document from collection and emits one or more objects for each input document. Whereas the second phase is a reduce phase that combines the output of the map operation. Remember, MapReduce uses custom JavaScript functions to perform the map and reduce operation. Let me use MapReduce function on student data collection. So here already I have created student data collection. Here I have displayed all the documents from student collection. So here I am having name field, marks field and age field in my student data collection. Let me write MapReduce function to calculate the sum of marks of all students. So here I am going to use keyword var to declare variable map function. So let me declare the variable. Var map function. So here map function is a variable declared with var keyword. Now according to syntax I am going to write map function emit in parenthesis this dot age comma this dot marks. Let me complete curly bracket over here. So here emit is a special method that every map function invokes. The first argument in emit is the key to group by, and second argument is a document containing values to be reduced. Here we are grouping documents by age, and the second argument reduces over each student marks. So here again we are using the keyword this, which always refers to document iterated over student collection. Now let me take other variable for reduce function. So as per syntax, function key comma values return array dot sum of values. Here the reduce function will be passed a key and array of one or more values. So here we are going to calculate the sum of marks of all students. So here reduce function will return array dot sum of values. Note that structure returned by reduce function must be identical to the structure emitted by the map function. So let me use MapReduce method over here. So I need to write db dot student data dot MapReduce. For this MapReduce method we require arguments. So the first argument I'm going to take here, it is a map function. Second argument is a reduce function. Already we have defined And the third argument is the name of the output collection. So here I need to use out keyword. So what this out specifies? Out specifies the location of the MapReduce query result. So here I am using the name as result1 underscore MapReduce. You can give any name to your output collection. Let me complete curly bracket and then parenthesis. So this is as per syntax of the MapReduce method supported by MongoDB. So now let me execute this. Yes. So here I have got my MapReduce result in the collection result1 underscore MapReduce. So let me check here db dot. So I'm going to use the name of the collection where we have stored the result of MapReduce function, MapReduce dot find. Okay, so here we have got the result as grouped according to the age. Note that here underscore id field holds the grouping key. So here the grouping key is age. So here I am having only one document for age 18. So I have got the value of marks as 30. I am having two documents for the age 21, which are Rahul and Riya, and marks are 50 and 60. So here I have got the value as 110. And for age 20, I am having two documents here, Ram and Sia, and marks are 40 and 50 respectively. So here I have got the value as 90. So here we have completed the simple example of MapReduce. So we can also use one more parameter in the MapReduce method. So let me take other example. Now here I'm going to check MapReduce for calculating average of marks of all students whose age is greater than 18. So let me write the MapReduce function with some different syntax. Okay. Okay, so let me write it. db dot student data dot MapReduce. So here I am not declaring variables directly. I am writing map function in MapReduce method. Emit method where we are going to pass two arguments, this dot age comma this dot marks. So this will be my first argument. Second argument will be reduce function key comma values, and what it will return? It will return array dot average of values. Let me complete the second argument, comma. Now here I am using the third argument, which is a query filter or selection criteria. for selecting the documents involved in aggregation. So let me specify the query criteria over here. So my query criteria is age should be greater than 18. So let me consider age field, and here I need to specify the condition $GT 18, and here the last parameter is the out. So out is the name of the output collection. So let me take some different name, result2 underscore map reduce. Let me complete this. Yes. Note that here the first argument is a map function, second argument is the reduce function, third argument is the query criteria, and fourth argument is the output document, output collection. So let me execute this. Okay, so here I have got result2 underscore map reduce as the output collection. So let me give the name here to find the records, result2 underscore map reduce dot find. Okay, so now here the query criteria was I want to calculate average of marks of all students whose age is greater than 18. So here I am having the grouping key as age. So age greater than 18. So here I am having two documents of 21 age. So average value I have got 55. For document where age is 20. So here I am having again two documents for age 20. So here I have got the average value of marks as 45. So here we have completed map reduce in MongoDB. Thank you.